If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing.
Hey guys, we hope you are enjoying the house tour so far, and we hope you like this house.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
You guys come and
this is the study area.
What's your favorite thing about the house?
My favorite thing about the house is the living room and the kitchen.
The living room. Oh my God, look at the living room, guys. How gorgeous. Show us the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. Look at it.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah, I love it.
My favorite part of the room is I love the black detailing of the rail. I love the black sink, bathtub, and look at the door handle of this. Oh my goodness, the shower cup is even black. How is yours? This is so incredible. I love that they paid attention to the details and everything is black. Look at the detailing of the carpet. It's also black, and I think they really emphasize the black detailing of the house. And it is 10 out of 10. Hey guys, Ale is just gonna introduce me to her main bedroom. If she can please show me.
Yeah, as you can see, very nice. But my favorite part, you guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I like how space. I like the space, and I love the black. Let me show you. It's black and it's beautiful.
I love the black detailing of this and the black rail for the clothes. And I really love how they paid attention to the details. Look at these guys. Look how amazing. And come in. Look at the shower head. Look how gorgeous that is. And it comes in two. And they even giving them place to put conditioner, shampoo, and shower gels. Look at these guys. This is 10 out of 10. And as you can see, as the exhaust. Thank you very much, guys. This is the end of the tour. We will, once it's finished, we will show you.
you actually go there. Content creator.
I'm the marketing manager, my guy. So.
What was his name?
Anything.
Kevin, come in the picture.